Welcome to codePannu. Let us see about combination of operators. Let us say we are calculating the number of people living on our apartment floor. There are three houses on our floor and two of these houses have four people living in it and the third house has three people living in it. How many people are living on our floor? Let us create two integer variables first. Houses is equal to 2 and press enter and then number of people is equal to 4. Now 2 house total is equal to houses asterisk sign number of people. Print open bracket close bracket and put 2 house total inside the brackets. Now third house is equal to 3. Now 3 house total is equal to 2 house total plus third house. Right, print open bracket close bracket 3 house total. Save the file and run the code. Look, the 2 house total is printed as 8 and the 3 house total is printed as 11. We have combined the addition operator and multiplication operator together. To know more about operators, follow or subscribe codePannu.